What's up guys, Wilson here with our latest project, which is yet another Porsche GT4 RS. Now this time the color is Artic Grey, and this is another addition to the multitude of colors for the GT4 RS that we've worked on. What this owner is having us do is a full body custom ClearGuard Alpha PPF installation, making it as seamless as possible while giving it maximum protection. We will also be tinting the windows with the best heat blocking in this industry in Spectra Photosync IRD. And after that, we will be ceramic coating the entire car, including the wheels and calipers. So let's get this project started and check out the process. At the very end, I'll show you the results. Alright guys, this GT4 RS is completed, and again, this color is Artic Grey. Here at Premiere, we sort of started a little collection, notation of all the different colors that we've worked on for these GT4 RSs. And so I left some details, some information in the details below, so in case you want to see some of the other ones we've worked on, click that open and check it out. Now, for this car, let's go over some of the details again to show you some close-up shots of the work itself so that you get a sense of what it looks like for this color. Let's start off with the hood. On this carbon fiber hood, you can see along this aqueduct area, there are no seams sitting on the outside. Where these crevices are, we wrap the film inside so that it maximizes protection along the leading edges, and at the same time, it just makes it look so much better that way without dirt collection along edges. Now along the decals right over here, you saw through our process that we filmed right over the decal so that that's getting protection, but also for the ease of maintenance so that when the owner is washing his car, he does not have to worry about wiping microfiber towels over the edges and corners and having that catch on those towels. On the front bumper of this car, as I've mentioned in previous videos, the front bumper is the most difficult to do on the GT4 RS, and that's because of all the aero bits over here that kind of gets in the way. Now, we did this as a one-piece custom installation without the joining seam that is normally over here. All these edges are, the film is brought right up to the panel edge so that all of the leading areas are protected. Again, this is a one-piece custom installation, and we did all of this without having to remove the aero bits or any of those parts. Headlights, front bumper, all of those remain intact while we do the installation for this car. Now to the front fenders. Around the louvers, let's get a close-up shot of this as well. For this area, we bring the film right up to the leading edge as close as possible because there's no room to wrap underneath. We bring the film all the way here so that it looks like there's no film on there at all the while maintaining that OEM look, right? The main purpose of paint protection film is to protect the paint, but being able to do so without making it look like there's film on there, that's the ultimate goal. Now on the front fender behind the wheels right over here, we did the same thing that we've done for pretty much every single GT4 RS, which is a second layer along over here. From the factory, there is a piece that comes along this back area, but normally there's a seam right over here and the side on the bottom is not protected. As you can see, this is fully protected back over here. On the doors, what this owner had spec'd, much like many of the GT4 owners, is with the GT4 RS decal over there. Now, out of all the GT4 RS that we've worked on, I believe only one owner has chosen to put the decals on top of the film. All of the other ones, just like this owner, have chosen to have the film go right over that so that it protects it. And again, maximizing protection, but also the maintenance becomes so much easier because you don't have to worry about picking up the decal just from washing the car. Now while we're at the side of the car, let's take a look at the window tint. This owner chose Spectra Photosync IRD 55%, which is a really nice mid-tone shade. The main reason why he chose this, besides getting the maximum UV and heat rejection, is so that for the rear glass over here, he wanted to be able to still see inside all of the carbon fiber details on the engine bay area. And this is the perfect shade to do so. If you want that balance of having heat rejection, UV rejection, but also, again, the clarity that it allows you to see in there is the perfect choice for this car. And also, it matches this paint color quite well. So guys, another project completed, and this owner will be able to drive this car with a peace of mind. And I want to thank you for watching another one of our videos, and until our next one, please stay tuned and I'll see you soon.